Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 objective past question. Question number 43. And the instruction here says choose the word or phrase of words that best complete this particular sentence. And the sentence here says, we got to the hall after the play dash started. We got to the hall after the play dash started. Option A is, B have, C had, D was. We got to the hall after the play dash. Now our subject here is pronoun we. Then the verb got here is in past participle. Which means that the action have started but not yet completed. Then started, the verb started here is a sign that the action in the all has commenced. So it's in past form. Is the past form of the verb starts. So it means that the action has commenced. So since we have the verb past participle and then the verb that end the expression here is in past tense, then is cannot function as a finite verb in this expression. So we cannot have is. So we cannot say we got to the hall after the play is started. No. Then have, despite that the subject is in plural because we is pronoun, but plural form, the plural form of I, we. I is singular objective subjective form. Then we is plural objective form of pronoun. So we cannot say we have, although have here is plural verb but not final verb. Take note of that, not final verb. But why have cannot function here is because we have a verb that point to us that the action have commenced. So we cannot say have. So we cannot say we got to the hall after the play have started. It is best say that we got to the hall after the play had started, because is the word had here that qualified the caption or the conclusive verb which is started. So, and also take note that had is the past form of has. Then it is also the plural form of have in its past tense. So had function as the plural form of the word or this verb have already. So, and that is why we can also say that we got to the hall after the play was started. So we don't even need another finite verb. And also take note that the past form of is was. So we don't need any of this finite verb. We only need auxiliary verb or helping verb in this expression. And the correct auxiliary verb that can actually function grammatically in this statement is had. So we can say that, or one can say that we got to the hall after the play had started. But remember that the players not actually get to the end because the got is in participle form. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.